Today, I'm going to show you how to make aloe vera oil at home. This oil is amazing if you're looking for dense hair, if you want your hair to be smooth and silky, and if you're someone who prefers natural, chemical-free solutions for hair care. Yes, we are going to make homemade aloe vera oil, and the best part is, it has a very mild, pleasant fragrance. This oil is not only super effective, but also very easy and simple to prepare at home with just a few ingredients. We all know how beneficial aloe vera is for our hair. It promotes hair growth, soothes the scalp, and adds shine. But let's be honest. Applying fresh aloe vera can be a bit tricky. It's sticky, slippery, and a little difficult to handle. Also, cutting and using fresh aloe vera gel every time can feel like a chore. So today, we're going to make an aloe vera oil that you can store and use whenever you like. Once you prepare this oil, you'll be glad to know that it can be stored for a longer period, and not only for your hair. You can even use it on your skin. Alright, let's begin the process. First, take some fresh aloe vera leaves. About 3 to 4 leaves are enough. Wash the leaves thoroughly to remove any dirt and then wipe off the water completely. Now we'll take out the pulp from these leaves. Be careful while cutting the sides because aloe vera leaves have thorns. Cut them gently and peel off the upper layer to get to the gel inside. This pulp is packed with nutrients. It helps to strengthen the hair, soothes an itchy scalp, and if you've been feeling lazy to use aloe vera directly, this oil form makes it much more convenient. Whether you want to apply it on your scalp, your hair ends, or even on your heels, this oil is extremely beneficial. Now, take out the pulp carefully. It doesn't matter if the pieces are uneven, we are going to grind it anyway. I've already removed all the pulp from these leaves, and I got around half a bowl of aloe vera gel. Now it's time to grind the pulp. This step is important because it helps release the juice and nutrients so that the oil can absorb all the goodness. Next, we need a carrier oil, something that will mix with aloe vera and enhance its properties. First, take olive oil. This oil is known to reduce hair damage and breakage, adds shine, improves softness, and even promotes hair growth. It also strengthens the hair shaft, making your strands less prone to split ends. Now take coconut oil, one of the best oils when it comes to moisturizing. It's known for its ability to penetrate the hair shaft, repair dry and brittle hair, and provide deep hydration. We need to add oil in the same amount as the aloe vera gel. You can either use both oils in equal proportions or choose just one. It's completely up to your preference and hair type. Now let's add another powerful ingredient, black pepper. Yes, just 1 tablespoon is enough. It might sound surprising, but black pepper helps in removing fungal infections from the scalp, which can cause dandruff and irritation. Add the black pepper to a saucepan and lightly dry roast it for a few seconds to remove any moisture. After that, pour in the oil and add the aloe vera pulp to the saucepan. Now cook everything on a very low flame. Keep the heat low throughout the process. This slow cooking allows the oil to absorb all the nutrients from aloe vera and helps extract its natural properties. As it cooks slowly, you'll see the aloe vera becoming darker and the oil turning a beautiful, natural green shade. Trust me, once it's done, you're gonna love the smell, the texture, and the effectiveness of this oil. You may remember that we've shared an onion oil recipe before, but many people don't prefer using onion or garlic in their hair oil due to the strong smell or personal preferences. So this is a great alternative. This aloe vera oil has a mild and soothing fragrance, and it gives you all the benefits without the harsh scent. It can make your hair longer, denser, and silky smooth over time. It also helps reduce hair fall, which is something so many of us are struggling with. Once the aloe vera is properly cooked and you see that it has released all its goodness, switch off the flame. Let the mixture cool down naturally. Once cooled, strain the oil using either a fine strainer or a clean cotton cloth. You'll see the oil has a natural color and clarity. If you're using a strainer, you might want to filter it twice to remove all the aloe residue completely. This oil contains no chemicals and no preservatives, just pure, natural nourishment. Now let's add one final touch, vitamin E. You can break and mix in 2 vitamin E capsules, or you can add a few drops of vitamin E oil directly. Vitamin E supports a healthy scalp, nourishes hair, and its antioxidant properties help in hair repair and growth. Once mixed, store the oil in a clean, dry glass jar or bottle. You can keep this oil for up to 3 to 4 months in a cool, dry place. Apply it regularly, not just to your hair, but also to your hands, feet, or any area where you experience dryness. It works wonders on cracked heels and rough skin too. This is your homemade aloe vera oil. Simple, natural, and packed with benefits. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty remedies.